What's up, guys? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Today is our official maternity shoot. I'm gonna go out and take pictures of Kristen before she pops, because as you guys know, Kristen is going to have a baby anytime, and she's telling me that she's gonna have a baby within the next couple of days. I hope that's the case. We're having a home birth, so it's just gonna happen when it happens. But today's video is sponsored by Canon, and as you guys know, if you know me, I love Canon. Pretty much everything we do is shot on a Canon, especially our vlogs. Right now we're using a Canon G7X Mark II, which we absolutely love. And last year we also did a lot of our shots with other Canon cameras. But today's Canon camera that we are featuring is the EOS M100. This is a really cool camera, and just for the next couple of days, this camera is on sale for Mother's Day. A huge sale, guys. I'm telling you, it's crazy. You're not gonna find this price anywhere else for the bundle that they offer you. This Canon EOS M100 comes with 2 lenses for this package. This is a 15 to 45 millimeter lens, which gives you a really nice wide angle. This bag's included. This is a 55 to 200 millimeter lens, which is great for nice far away shots if you want to zoom in on something or you just want to get really creative. And this camera is fantastic as a mirrorless camera. It's got a 180 degree 3-inch flip up screen. These cameras are so simple to use. You don't have to necessarily be a professional photographer. This camera does a lot of the work for you and includes a lot of programs within it that are super easy to use to help you create better shots. It also does video. You can do full 1080p HD with 60p frame rate. What that means is it's more of a realistic looking shot, and the autofocus on the inside is so fast it will keep up with you and you don't have to worry about anything. This camera is so simplified. Let me show you the back side of it. Look at that. There's not much to it. It's pretty much turn it on, select your setting, and go. You don't have to try to figure out, hey, what's this button mean? I have no idea, because the majority of it is very easy to understand just by looking at it. So anyway, I'm gonna tell you more about the features, but we're gonna go out and shoot and see what we can do. Okay, so for our first shot, we are going to use the long lens and we are gonna shoot against the tree here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stand a little bit further back over here and then zoom in as much as I possibly can, because I wanna get a lot of depth behind her. I want everything to be blurry and it's showcasing her. So just lean against this tree right here.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, the video setting is awesome. You look so beautiful.
Cool.
Well, you always do, but like,
Right.
wow, look what it does for the skin tones and just the color. I love this. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's go over there. Another really nice thing that this camera has is a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor. That means that you can really get into an image and put a lot of detail in, especially if you want to blow them up for like pictures on a wall.
We've been outside taking pictures for a while, and Corey has told me to stand behind this tree while he sets up a tripod. We'll see. He's got that look that he gets sometimes when his brain just starts going. Okay, I'm ready behind the tree. Yeah.
10-second timer. Here we go.
What's wrong?
Oh my God, Kristen. Oh my God, no, hang on. I'm gonna film your reaction to this. Have a look. Have a look.
Oh, you look pretty pregnant.
Isn't that amazing?
That's pretty crazy.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that works so well.
Let's do it again.
Okay, now check this out. I have connected the camera to my phone so I can live monitor and take pictures with the camera using my phone. So let's do this. We're gonna take a picture, both of us. Here we go, ready? And click that little button there. 3, 2, 1. Just like that.
That is so cool.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna click on that and there we go. There's our picture. That's a really good picture of us.
It is.
We can send that to wherever we want to. I can upload it to Instagram right now.
That is amazing.
As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do that. Go to my Instagram, @SMP Films. Okay, so here's my official review of the EOS M100. This is a great camera. And I'm not just saying that because this is a sponsored video by Canon. I'm saying that because I genuinely do like this camera a lot. I love everything Canon, and this one stands up to the name. It's fantastic. Guys, if you don't click that link right now and buy this camera, you're gonna be missing out because the deal is only lasting a couple more days. Like literally a couple more days. Click on it, check it out. You guys are gonna love it. This camera and the bundle that it comes with, it's awesome. Get it for your mom, get it for your cat, get your tongue back in your mouth, or just get it for yourself because it is a great deal. I highly recommend this camera. It's fantastic. Oh my gosh, you guys, you're supposed to tell me when everything's fuzzy. Well, it's not fuzzy now. It doesn't look fuzzy here, but let me show you what I mean. Oh my gosh, your face is so dirty right now. I'm gonna clean your face. Look at this. See how the light just bleeds everywhere? Oh gosh, let me tell you, it's hard to be a vlogger when you have a 2-year-old in the house because 2-year-olds tend, well, almost 2, they tend to take their little fingers and rub them all over the lens, and then they lick the lens and they do all these weird things, and it's so dirty. Oh my gosh. All right, let's fix this right now. Watch the difference this makes using a lens cleaner. Okay, everything should be a lot clearer now. Let's go back to the window. I'm such a stickler about this. Look, oh, there's no more light shooting all over the place. Okay, I'm only a little bit of a perfectionist. Oh, look at you in your cute little dress. Turn around. Turn around, I wanna see your whole dress. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, it's cute. You gonna fly away? Fly away! There she goes. We've had such a busy last couple of days, by the way. We have been shooting some videos for a new secret project that we're working on, and I think we're gonna end up telling you either tomorrow or the next day about this new project that we've been working on. If you're following me on Instagram, which I know I keep, giving shout outs to my Instagram, then you might see a little bit of something from that new project we're working on. I don't want to give it away, but I so want to tell you already, but it's not time. It's not time. Oh, excuse the mess. This is real life, guys.
We are officially one step closer to being able to have Atlas. Oh, I can feel it right here. Our AC is working. I don't know if we've talked about this in the vlog or not, but our AC downstairs was not really working very well. Luckily, we have a neighbor who owns a heat and air business, so he came over today. Oh, there's cold air coming from that vent. I am so thrilled. The reason I say we are one step closer to being able to have Atlas come is because since we're doing the home birth, I want it to be cool. Like, I don't want to be sitting in 80-degree weather while I'm in labor. So having the AC working is very nice. Not necessary, I guess. But yeah, it's really good. Awesome things just keep happening today. Our neighbor over here is mowing their property. They own quite a bit of empty land on that side of us. So it's gonna be nice to have that nice and cleared. Grark is here chasing a Chelmarie around. I don't know what they're doing. Corey keeps talking about needing to mow our lawn, but I think I convinced him not to because these flowers are so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at my shadow, guys. Look at that big pregnant belly. Okay, Atlas, you're soon, coming soon. Seriously though, look how pretty these flowers are. I love them. I know they're weeds and everybody wants just grass in their lawn, but they're pretty, so why can't they stay?
Dude, look how crazy this day turned out. Like earlier it was cloudy. It was like the perfect weather for photography. But now it's just like bright. I'm like, oh shit. Not used to this sun stuff. Although I love it. I hear the neighbor mowing his lawn. I'm like, oh dude, I want to do that. Actually, that's not our neighbor. That's somebody he hired because that lawn over there, I don't think they've touched it yet this year. Slow down, slow down. Oh, okay. I love. I love this. It's so pretty. So pretty. This is spring. Spring is here. Spring is sprung. Spring. Spring-a-ling. It's spring-a-ling. It's finally spring. What are other names for spring? Tis boing. Boing. Does that work? Boing. Springy. Boing.
Yeah. Slow down there, tiger. Grangie just got here with 5 guys and Corey is like eating before anyone else is even inside the house.
It's a little greasy.
Well, it's Five Guys, yeah.
Yeah, that's so many good memories. Yeah, I miss my
Dune buggy?
dune buggy now.
Yeah. Does it always come with peanuts?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Interesting. Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed our maternity photo shoot. If you are not already subscribed to Live Each Day, be sure and click that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the pregnancy. We only have a couple weeks left until Atlas is gonna be here, so we're super, super excited for that. And we look forward to sharing that with you guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye.